Hi guys! Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a reaction to Taeyeon from Girls' Generation, her solo for her song Rain. I'm going to be watching the music video and listening to the song for the first time. So yeah, let's check it out. I'm so excited because I love her and she's so pretty and her voice is beautiful. With her previous solo, I was amazed by it. And now she's back again and I'm just like, so excited. So yeah, let's check it out. Okay, let's go. Ooh, I like those colors. Her hair! Look at her. She looks good with short hair or long hair. I like the room, like I like the way it's designed and the colors and like the filter that they put over it too. It looks really nice. Floating things. Thanks for floating around me. I can have not just sit. Everything sweats. I hope they have insurance for water damage because that's a lot of damage. Oh, everything's turning like reddish colors. That looks so pretty though, like the way it paints. Water. It's raining. Duh. What did I think they were bubbles? She's awfully calm for her house being flooded. Jokes aside, the music video was pretty nice. I like the color scheme and the filters and the black and white and like just this like nice color that kind of gives like this mystic yet, you know, like calm theme to it, and with the water obviously goes with the rain in the song. As always, her voice was beautiful and she sang the song beautifully. Her voice is just amazing and it's like soothing and calming, but at the same time there's just like this, I don't know, it's just a really beautiful voice and I love the way she sings. As always, she looked beautiful, she looked gorgeous, even with the short hair cut that she has going on here. the hairstyle and the hair color, she still looked really beautiful. The music video was awesome and I really liked it. So yeah, please let me know your feelings and your reactions to the song and music video in the comments down below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more reaction videos and other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you next time. Bye!